So, the recap of the DAX. Today has been not the typical day. I have like a 1 full hour recording on how all the trades went for today, but let's just say that at 9 we got stopped out at the at the counter sell. I should have waited for the 200 EMA to break down, but I didn't have patience for that because what I just saw was this basically. This is 9 minus 1, and then you got a buy past at this range, but the range that I should have been considered was this one. So yeah, if I extend this barely makes it in, and this one is the one that is the best position. So we got out at break even, and then we were looking for the long, and this was a problem because you don't take longs at the beginning because you see this and then you say this is either a sweep, or this is gonna be a liquidity run, and as you can see, this was a liquidity run. So every time I long, which was here and here, I got wrecked. Here I got wrecked here, but here I went long with full size. Finally, come on. Because we hit a support and this is a fractal. This and this is a fractal. And as soon as I got long, the next minute I was like 50 bucks or 60 up. I carried it all the way here at this EMA. And I had my take profit for the day just at the 15% of the Fibonacci retracement. I got out here, I was missing like 11 pips or something like that. And since I was with full size, if I waited, I would have hit the profit. But check this delivery. See this fair value gap? I shorted it on the top, basically here, at the highest of the highs, because I had a pending order here. Had a pending order here and a pending order here, depending on which way the market went at this point. Because this could have gone here and then rejected for an up, but if you check structure here, you got a low here, you got a high here, a lower low, and we should get a higher low, excuse me, a higher high. Even more if this ends up rolling over and breaking structure here, but that's a history for another day. Right now, we're developing a head and shoulders, most likely, which I also anticipated at the on my personal videos that I record for my journaling, but these videos are for the recap. So we took this long all the way to the 50 EMA. We took this short that we almost got stopped out of because I joined here and the price went here. So come on, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Now I'm in. Okay. $11 pips. Nice. Come on. Get this out. Come on, run lower. 70. Nice. It was quite the thing. And then around here, I was at like half a pip for profit and I just closed and I'm done. I'm missing 0.7 pips for the daily profit, which I don't care. So for today we're fine, we're done, and most likely this will retrace all the way down here, and if we see rejection here you could go long in here, because then gun theory would kick in, and if this gets rejected at this fair value, you're good to take a long. From fair value to fair value to liquidity, and breaking all these trend lines to long. In theory, because this could still be high here, low, high, and then if this is a trending market, the next low should be past here and around this area over here, which would make sense. But because there's still a lot of stuff, there's fair value here, there's this Fibonacci here that got tapped into, this fair value got tapped into here. So we'll see. It got massively tapped, and now they want to massively kill everyone who went long here. Oh yeah. My short would still be running by now. So if you took the same short that I did and you did not have hidden profit quick, which is nice, you would still be on a good position here. Now we've hit this area which has a lot of orders, both this week and this order block. Now it got mitigated and rejected out, and most likely it's gonna go all the way back up to hit these highs and then even higher highs, maybe the Asia highs back to the pivot. We should see that reaction, and if it keeps dumping down, it's gonna come to this fair value and then go, or it can go here, and if it doesn't reject here and it keeps crashing down, it's going down. That's why you have to wait a little bit for more confirmation. There's two ways to get into trade, because the level tells you to do so with volume and whatnot, which is what happened here, or because of structure. And also you should wait for confirmations, meaning if you see this all the way here, you see a lot of pressure, you just don't go. You just don't go. Pressure. Now you see this hammer, and now you check volume. There's 130 volumes, 88 volumes with a small body, which means from these 130 orders, a lot, or the biggest ones, are the ones going up. That's why delivery is important, because if this happened at the beginning of the move and it doesn't get any follow-up at the next one, now you're in at the support for a most likely reversal at a point of interest after you swooped all the people who got in at the point of interest, which was this resistance over here, which is this line. Then you have the support here, and then you get pumping. So this is a fractal low, can be clearly seen here. And now we're actually rejecting again. So yeah, this area was the point of interest. This block here. You couldn't even go with more finesse and declare this one, which is because it got rejected here and it got rejected here. But yeah, the thing is that you don't know if you're gonna get rejected here or here. So what you should do is, at half of these areas, you go in long with the stop below here, most likely here, past this. If you want to be like really safe, you should put it here, but that's like a very big stop, like from 97 to 72, that's like 25 pips of stop. But I say this because you could get here and reject, you could get here and reject, you could get again here and reject. You have to cover for all the possibilities with your entries, or you have to wait and lose some entries. But that's that. Enough. It's been 9 minutes. Took fails along this way. A break even here. Did not take this long because this short, excuse me, because I was first of all waiting for a long after this sweep, and you wait for this to happen, and when you see all this pressure, it's like no. You might get in here, but you would have gotten wrecked. And this was just we're gonna go lower. We're buying. Oh no, this is like fuck you, basically a fuck you week. You buy. No, we're selling. Why? Because we're gonna go here. Oh, everyone bought and everyone sold. Let's kick out everyone who got long with the buy side liquidity, all wrecked. Get into a good point of support and volume. Excuse me for that. And as soon as you see this rejection, after this rejection, both with high volume, you can go in because it's a point of interest. And yeah, we took all this long all the way here actually, and the short was also at this point of interest, so all the way back to the rest of our daily take profit. This video is here to mean to all of you that it's not every day that we clear house in 2 minutes. Sometimes you have to work for it, but I was done for at like 10 or 9. What was this? 9:56. 9:56. Here I got out for the last trade, and I'm done for the day. So if you've hit losses, careful with the size and careful with the size of your stop, basically, as well. But take advantage of the opportunities that the market gives you, because if you have taken a loss and you're pissed, no one gives a damn except you. So the market's gonna deliver how it's gonna deliver. And if it kicks you out, it kicks you out. If it doesn't kick you out, greater even. But the thing is that I got in here because this was a point of interest. Also, you can like see all this height is kind of the same as this height. Also, you got a support here, you got a fib here. There's a lot of confluences to get in here. So yeah, happy trading for the rest of the week. And this week we will have the European Central Bank interest decisions on the rate, which should be minus 25 points, and that should send everything to the sky as soon as the announcement is made. And if I'm not mistaken, it's Thursday. So yeah, get ready for that and enjoy the trading.